SHIB Army, welcome back. According to Shiba Inu lead developer Shytoshi Kusama, Shibarium will offer low transfer fees for every project built on the L2, Shibarium, noting that the goal here is to process transactions in, quote, seconds for less than pennies. This is one of the reasons why Shibarium is such an important piece to the puzzle here. Having their own L2, Shiba Inu could separate themselves from the rest and not have to rely on Ethereum as much. Touted as the blockchain of the people, Shibarium plans to become a secure, transparent, and scalable blockchain that acts as a base layer for the development of all new projects. The potential here is massive for new dApps, new projects to launch on Shibarium. Just in the last couple of months, we have seen so many different projects that are getting ready to build on top of Shibarium. We've talked a lot about some of those here on the channel. The blockchain itself ensures secure and transparent creation and exchange of digital assets. In addition, it serves as a base for the development of decentralized apps, including SHIB the Metaverse, SHIB.io, Shiba Eternity, and a ton of other products, projects, platforms, and services within the broader Shiba Inu community. That's right. In real world, businesses can also come to the SHIB Metaverse, come to Shibarium, build a business, and also help grow the SHIB army and help grow the brand. The public documentation that was just released a couple days ago offers a ton of new insight on Shibarium's burning mechanism as well. The document itself says that the burn mechanism could kick in after the protocol accumulates a specific amount of Bone Shiba Swap, the token that will be used for gas fees on Shibarium. Now, when a user makes a transaction, here's what we know. Take you inside this. The base fee is locked on a contract on Shibarium, while the priority fee is paid to the validator. This base fee will be split in 70% burned and 30% set aside to the mainnet network. Once a certain amount of Bone, 25,000, is accumulated in the burn contract, users can then start the burn process from Shibarium. Right now, SHIB's trading just under that 11 zone, a slight dip in the last 24 hours. But this right here has us super excited. Shiba Inu Shibarium aims to process transactions in seconds for less than pennies. And this documentation coming out, which also outlining the burning mechanisms that will be built in, is just one way that we can constantly burn SHIB. See, we also have projects out there like the likes of Koyo, who they are burning like crazy, guys, burning like crazy. And I just joined their team officially, full disclosure. Now, we have a ton of other projects out there as well. Pause Zone, which was just launched. Okay, this is an NFT marketplace built on Shibarium. This one just launched yesterday. We've got projects like Boner, I know the name, but you're earning passive Bone rewards. We've got other projects out here in the ecosystem as well, like NFAI, which will be an official project on Shibarium. We've got projects like Sharby also building on Shibarium. Tons of great projects. Koi itself here has burned over 5 billion SHIB already in 2 weeks, essentially. These are just the beginning of projects and dApps and companies going to be built on Shibarium that will bring more eyes to this ecosystem, and that at the end of the day will allow us to grow SHIB. Appreciate you guys as always for stopping back by the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.